Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. Any screen here, you see home there, you've got telephone, music, media, television, and you've got this direction arrow. Click on the direction arrow. Hello, sign into your account. You've got Blackburn Road there. Then you've got these 6 dots. Click on there, 6 dots. Search places your destination. Search. Click on there. Search for an address, place or keyword. We are Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston, P. Oh, I've done 2 there. So P, R, 5, 4, E, A. We've got the green enter. Click on that. Searching offline. It's got us here. Were you looking for this? PR54EA. Click yes, and now click on the actual postcode that you can see there, and then click start.
After 250.
Right, that gives spoken instructions as well, but unfortunately the radio was on. What I should have done was changed it to source so we could hear it clearer.